Hello friends, Assalamu alaikum. How are you? I'm fine, thank you. Please subscribe my channel or watch my videos. Thank you very much. Friend, very important topics. The presentation, my videos, and the social work and social network and socialism working and helping people. The 18-wheeler accident attorney. 18-wheeler accident attorney. If you are looking for an 18-wheeler accident attorney, it is calculated to find and experience personal injury lawyer who specialize in tracking accidents, truck accidents. Here are some steps you can take to find the right attorney. The 18-wheeler accidents attorney or truck accident attorney, tracking accident attorney. Online search. Start within an online search using terms like 18-wheeler accident attorney or truck accident lawyer. Use search engine to find attorneys in your areas who specialize in her handling case involving large trucks. Legal dictation. Utilize online legal dictation such as Evobio, Martindale, Humble, or Fine Law. There's description provide information about attorney, including their practice areas, experience, and client reviews. Start Bar Association. Visit the website. If you start Bar Association, they obtain provide direction of licensed attorneys and you can narrow down your search to those specialized in personal injury or truck accident or 18-wheeler accident. Reference. Ask friends, families, or colleagues if they have recommendation for a reportable truck accident attorney. Personalized reference card be valuable in finding an attorney with a good track records. Consultation can track potential attorneys and schedules. Consultation. Many lawyers offer free entail consultation to discuss our case and values. Ask question during the consultation. Ask question to assess the attorney's experience within 18 Wheeler accidents, their success rate, and the third, approach to handling such cases. Review online reviews. Check or checking online reviews on website like ABView, Avo, Google, or Yellow. Recording about the client's experience can provide injuries into the attorney resolution and effection. Check candidates. Verify the attorney's details, including their license to practice law, any certification in professional injury law, and their starting with the state bar. Free structure discussion the autonomy free structure during the consultation. Many personal injury attorneys work on a conditions contingency free base, meaning they only get paid if you win your case. The local bar association, contract local bar association, or legal aid the many have requisition or reference for attorneys specialists in truck accident case on wheel accidents, wheel attorneys. Recommended to trust your instruction and chooses an attorney with whom you file confirmation table. The right attorney will have the experts and dedication to help you navigate the complex or tracking accident case and wheel accidents attorneys. If you're looking for an 18-wheel accidents attorneys, it's called to find experienced personal injuries lawyers who is specialists in track accident and tracking accident. 18-wheel accident attorneys. Here some steps you can take and find the right attorney in track accidents. Online search. Start with an online search using things 18-wheel accident attorney or truck accident lawyer and attorneys. Use search engine find attorney you have specialized in handle invoice on legal truck accidents. The legal direction Sajan, Abo, Martindale's, Hubble, or final law. The direction provide information about attorney including place and case, the client reviews. State Bar Association, they are provide direction, attorneys can rules, search and specialists, and track accidents. And ask friends, families, colleagues, they have recommended regard track accident attorneys, personal advice. Conclusion, the contract person and the conclusion, ask question, review online, checking candidates, fees touch, local bar association, and recommend. The recommended to trust your insight, then choose and the attorney with who you feel comfortable, the right attorney with who and experience, then details help you negatives the complete track accident. Thank you. Best of luck.